In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom URL for your Vimeo profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. Creating a custom URL for your Vimeo profile is a great way to make it more personal and easier for people to find you. It's a simple process, so let's take it step by step. First, you want to start by opening Vimeo on your web browser. Go ahead and enter the URL and make sure to sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for those of you who already have an account, signing in is just the first step to getting your personalized URL. Once you're signed in, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture there. Click on that, as it will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and give that a click. Now you're in the Settings section, which is the hub for all your account-related changes. Once you're in the Settings area, you want to select Profile from the list on the left-hand side. This is where most of the magic happens when it comes to customizing your profile. You'll find yourself on the Profile Settings page. Now we need to scroll down a bit. As you scroll, keep an eye out for a section titled Vimeo URL. This is where you'll create that custom URL. In that section, there will be a field specifically for your profile URL. This is where all the fun begins. You'll see the current URL, which typically consists of a standard address followed by a string of numbers or letters. Right below that, you'll find a space to enter your custom name, which will appear after vimeo.com/. So here's what you need to do next. Type in the name you'd like to have for your custom URL. Remember, the name can only include letters and numbers. Unfortunately, special characters or spaces won't be able to be used, so keep it simple and straightforward. Take a moment to think about what you want your custom URL to represent. It could be your name, a nickname, or something that reflects the type of content you create on Vimeo. Just be sure it's memorable enough for your viewers to find you easily. Once you've entered your desired custom name, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click that to save your changes. This is an important step, so make sure not to miss it. Now that your changes are saved, let's check to make sure everything worked out as planned. Go back to your profile by clicking on your profile picture again or navigating to your Vimeo account home. Once you're there, you can confirm that your new URL is active. Try typing your new URL directly into the address bar to see if it directs you to your profile correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully created a custom URL for your Vimeo profile, making it more accessible for your audience. In a nutshell, creating a custom URL is not just about personalization. It also enhances your professional appearance and makes it easier for people to remember how to find you. So take pride in your new custom URL. Now, every time someone wants to check out your work, they'll have a neat and tidy link to get right to your profile. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to create a custom URL for your Vimeo profile. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Vimeo journey.